Okay, so we're on the Midland 77104D, which came in with the drive joint stopping the face lock loop from operating. Then we discovered the microphone socket to be messed with, probably replaced or whatever, rewired, and they'd missed the earth off. So Mr. Chippie sorted that one out. So we're back in the land of the living, and at the moment we're using the factory original mic. We'll do a low power test. This set is 250 milliwatts. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, do you copy?
Tango 21, receiving loud and clear.
Excellent. When we do the low power test on this radio, it's at 250 milliwatts. It's a preset one over.
Yep, roger that, no problem.
That'll be interesting.
Roger, right, we're off.
Roger, I've been off for years.
Yeah, I know.
Right, we'll swap for the external speaker till we get to the top of the hill, just so you can tell the difference.
Right, we'll come up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Roger. Right, we're now passing Ancaster service station, and guess what? It's closed.
Well, yes. There you go.
Right, we're now square wheeled at Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger got you at Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger. Right, we're now passing the top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger got you at the top of the hill.
Roger.
Right, we'll go back to internal speaker. And this is one of those radios that hisses when the squelch is closed, so lots of them are like that.
Tango 21 from Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger got you loud and clear, going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on a Midland 77104D UK, and he's doing a full 4 watts over.
Yep, roger that. All received.
In fact, this is the one you did drive joints and the mic on.
Yeah, I figured it would be since the work coming yesterday.
Roger. It's normally a surprise, you see. I don't tell him what radio we're doing. And then if it's a real off-brand, he's not going to prejudge it. So, oh, I've got a Rolls-Royce CB we're testing. Automatically going to think it's better, you know. But because he did the dry joints on this one, and he did the microphone rewire inside, he did know which one it was.
Right, we're now going over Wilsford Level Crossing. Over.
Roger got you going over Wilsford Level Crossing. So, Wilsford Level Crossing, Scratchy Corner's there, Wilsford Level Crossing is there. So we've started from there. So he's at the 3 mile point. So we're going to do the Kelby turn at 4 miles. We're going to do the Grayleys turn at 5 miles. He's going to pull over. We'll do the test on this set. As I said to him, it's 250 milliwatts. It's not the usual 400 milliwatts because this radio has a preset low power circuit.
Passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Roger got you at the Kelby turn.
Right, we're now passing the Grayleys turn. Over.
Roger, so you need to pull over and let me know when you've done so.
Yep, Roger. Turning onto Bolton Road now.
Roger.
Tango 21 from CB27 position at the 5 mile point.
Roger got you in position. Right, I will now do, hopefully you're recording, and I will now do a countdown and go to low power. Now it's on the back of the set on this. So we're going to go to 250 milliwatts from 4 watts on this set because it's factory preset. I can't do anything about that. So here we go. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we're on low power doing 250 milliwatts. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and back to high power. There we are on high power, over.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, now in position at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you in position. Right, I will now do, hopefully you're recording, and I will now do a countdown and go to low power. Now it's on the back of the set on this. So we're going to go to 250 milliwatts from 4 watts on this set because it's factory preset. I can't do anything about that. So here we go. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. High power. There we are on high power. Over.
Yep, roger that. Receiving you on full power. A little bit noisy today. Low power. You could tell you were there, but nothing legible.
That's fine, and that's what the test's all about.
Yep, roger that. I'll carry on.
Roger. Yeah, roger that. Receiving you on full power. A little bit noisy today. Low power. You can tell you were there, but nothing legible.
That's fine, and that's what the test's all about.
Yep, roger that. I'll carry on.
Roger. So look, so by the time we've edited this together, you'll see what that was like. But he says it was unreadable, so I'm sure it is. 250 milliwatts is certainly, you know, the other one we did on 400 milliwatts. The second time we did it, it wasn't as great as the first time we did it. It's going to be subject to weather conditions and all that. Roger, got you square wheeled at Rorespeed level crossing. I'll stay with you till you get over, so we've got the petrol price over. Roger, got you going over Rorespeed level crossing. Have you got the petrol price?
Yeah, I got in the change, 52.7, unleaded, 171.9.
Got you, that's fine. Right, you can return to base. That's the end of the test. Thank you.
Yep, roger that.
10-10. Okay, there he is at the 6 mile point. We'll go to the base station. We'll start off on that Midland original mic, and then I'll plug in a standard replacement, just see if we can see any difference. So there we have it, the Midland 77104D UK lives again.
77104D UK, I'd like to baby Midland into our Midland 76900 base station on the factory original mic. Setting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and now I'll go over to a standard replacement. Tango 21 now testing on the standard replacement mic. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we'll flick it to low power on this test too. So here we go on to low power, 250